Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am going to show you this today. I'm going to show you the unboxing, not so much a review because I'm going to be setting this up soon, but you'll see all my videos in the future. We'll be using this as well. But this is the solar drip irrigation system. So we're going to show you this. I'll show you what's in the box and everything that it comes with. And then we will kind of be setting it up. So oh, I put the wrong manual in there. I did open it up a minute ago and my video didn't record, so we're starting over again. So the parts are this, a bunch of these, some of this, one of these, and this. Okay, so I'm going to explain what all these different pieces are. Where's my little manual? I did have a manual somewhere. Here it is. So this is kind of how it looks. So that's going to be what all the pieces are. So we have, this is the solar panel. So you see there's that. Then from the solar panel, you see it comes with these two little probes, which are going to go into the water. These are just probes. They're not plugs of any sort. They're flat-ended. So I guess they're going to be some sort of sensor thing in the water. I'm not sure exactly what. And then in the back here, you see we have the different buttons to turn it on and off, and then the different modes, and how this is where you set all the different programming for it. So how often it'll water and how much it'll water for. And then, so the way it'll work is, or how much it'll, well, how much it'll water for. So we have you can see here, we have an in, maybe over here, we have an in and an out. So the in, so we have two hoses here, but I'm guessing it'll be short. So you'll have this going here and you'll have a hose going into, so this will be the in, will go to a bucket of water or to wherever you have your water, into the pond. The whole thing, these parts here are, so you can plug it and stick it into the ground, and then this will connect up onto here, so you can have the solar panel mounted somewhere. But the pump and everything like that is all right here. So let me just take this off right now. And then, so what we'll do is it'll go from the hose, and then this is the watering thing. I'm guessing, let me see, where is it? There's all these different pieces and parts in here. There's this piece and this piece. Let's see what these pieces are all for. So, anti-siphoning accessory. Oh, so I guess in the outlet, it'll go there, and then this here just keeps it from siphoning back. So kind of keeps it from just getting siphoning back into so it won't suck out the whole bucket and stuff. So it'll have an air inlet for that. So it kind of, I guess, as it's flowing, it kind of blocks this off, and then when it stops flowing down, then the air kind of goes back in there to empty out the lines or whatever like that, just so it doesn't siphon everything out of your bucket. So that's what this is, the anti-siphoner. So you'll have a hose from this to this, and then down here will go out to all your out to all the different places. And then in the sucking in the water part, it'll be from this, so it'll, this is the little filter, so you'll have the filter going through there. And then you have a bunch of T connectors here, so at each bucket or each plant you'll have a T connector, and so the hose will come into it, it'll connect to the plant, and then out. And then these are, I guess, going to be like little spikes that'll go into the planters. Yeah, so these little spikes. So then once you tee off of it, here, let me open up. I'll just leave it on here now. So once we've teed off of it, so we have the hose kind of, going there, going along, and then it tees off of it into this, and then this will go into here, which will push the water drip it into there. So this will kind of keep it a little bit above there, and it'll just drip into it. I'm guessing this will have, see, as I blow, it's got a little bit of water. You can actually see the little zigzag line. I don't know if you can see it, if it's going to focus in on it. I don't know if it will. Might not focus very well on my front camera, but here you can see all the zigzag lines. So I guess that's where the water will go in and go through all these zigzag lines and then drip out into your plant. So that's kind of how it works, and it's got a bunch of those. So that's kind of how it all works. And that's all the pieces there. those pieces. The filter we've done. The little, I guess this is a mounting bracket if I didn't want to, if I wanted to put the, if I didn't want to stick it in the ground, if I was going to stick it on a fence or something, I could screw it into a fence and then have the solar panel, you know, on from the fence like that. See, like that. And then let's just try this for fun. We'll turn the mode here. Let's see, on, and I can. It's on now. Guessing it's out of battery because it hasn't been in the sun. But we can change the different modes here. So now it would be like a 15, or maybe because there's no water. But there, you know, all the different settings there for the different times, and the frequency, I guess. So, so right now it's set for, it'll go for 15 minutes every 12 hours. And then we can do 24, 48, 72. So that's kind of it. So very cool. So I could say every 12 hours, I want to go for 5 minutes. And that would be kind of what I would want, probably for some of my stuff, just so it doesn't dry out in the hot sun here in Texas. So very cool. So that's all the different pieces for it. And that was the manual here. I'll show you guys the manual. If you need it for anything, you can pause it and zoom in. There's that side of it and that side of it. So there it is. So very cool system here, and very inexpensive and easy to do. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.